Hey guys, welcome back. Before we get started, I want to share something with you. Usually I teach my drum lessons in Hebrew, but today I wanted to try something new. I'm recording this lesson in English, of course, because I'd love to reach more drummers around the world. And if you're a Hebrew speaker and you know me, don't worry, we have Hebrew subtitles, as you could see. In today's lesson, we're going to work on one groove in two different ways. First, we'll play it using the traditional cross-handed approach, and then we'll play the exact same groove open-handed. The most important goal is for both versions to sound exactly the same. I don't want the groove to feel different just because we're changing the technique. So the groove, the feel, dynamics, and timing should be as identical as possible. The goal isn't just to learning a different technique, it's also about challenging your brain, improving your coordination, and developing your musical listening skills. When you switch between cross-handed and open-handed playing, you're making your body and brain think differently. This basically helps develop independence, control, and better communication between your hands. And the most important thing is training your ears. Instead of relying on muscle memory, you'll start paying closer attention to the sound, the balance between your drums, and the overall feel of the groove. So don't worry if open-handed versions feel strange at first. That's completely normal. The more you practice both approaches, the more comfortable and versatile you'll become. So take your time, stay relaxed. I'll be playing some beginner grooves and more advanced ones, and that's it. Let's get started.